to improve my setup for a while, so I got a few things from IKEA for this. I got this lamp because my room was too dark. Right now, like, this is my setup, and it's okay, but I ran out of space pretty fast. So I started building the Alex IKEA drawer, and I think it was super easy and fast. Hi kimchi. So I have a bunch of little gadgets spread around my house, so I think getting this thing is a big upgrade for me, and I'm planning to add some 3D prints inside to make it better. I moved the drawer to its new location. Yeah, it was a dead space anyway, so now we'll have everything organized. There are 5 slots in this drawer right now, and I'm only using 2, so if you got ideas for the rest, leave a comment please. Okay, I thought I could just move the whole PC here without disconnecting cables. Yeah, it was not the case. Not only I had to redesign the cable management system, whatever, but also some cables wouldn't reach anymore. And yeah, I know it looks messy, but just trust the process. Also change the location of the microphone, because now I have an empty space here, where the PC used to be. And I don't know, I always prefer to have like a big chunk of cables that I can wrap around with one of those plastic cable ties. Also, so that from a normal angle where I'm gonna be working, everything stays hidden and looks tight. And now we have this empty space here, which I think already looks much better. Okay, for the storage, I use the Gridfinity system, which I found on YouTube, and it's like a bunch of modular containers that you can snap together using the size and design that you want. And this makes organization way better, and I can choose it basically however I want. Took me a few tries, but in the end I got this nice holder shaped exactly like my lens. And yeah, as you can see here, it has more detail than the other one and has the exact measurements that I need, because the first one was just a cylinder. This holder for my T7 SSDs, and it also took me a few tries because it was too tight or too loose, but I think it turned out great. And the good thing about this system is that you can move everything around until you find the best position. So tired of my empty walls, so I got these prints and some cheap IKEA frames to go with them. I think they fit the style perfectly and they are just nice. Now, I would like to thank ESR for sending me this. It's a 3-in-1 wireless charger and it's perfectly standby mode while I work. It has C 2.2 and 25 watts of power, and it even has this CryoBoost technology which activates a fan to keep your iPhone cool, and with this detachable piece for the Apple Watch, and I use it to charge everything at the same time, without having issues with it. Use this code for 25% off everything on their website, link is in the description. In one of the drawers I saw things like my camera, my MacBook, but I hate how they slide around on the plastic surface, so I added a soft liner to protect them and keep everything in place basically. It was around 10 euros on Amazon, and I can reuse the leftover material. Now I can move the old one to the other room, so I can set up like a small studio for my gear, and it's just something I've always wanted to have. I went with, and all of my most used tools are here now. And even if it's not the most efficient, I think it works for me. The good thing is that I can always tweak it and make it better.